I am GappaMagix. I just got done shredding here at 8th Street Hill, and I set my gift right here in this little bush for the bipedal humanoid creature. And anyway, about to go give it to him, or it. Ooh, look at this. Hello there. Dogman? Possibility, like I suspected. Or skinwalker, since it was right here as a deer. And another two right here. And another one. And another one. And anyway, like I mentioned in the video that I filmed last night, outside the house where I rent property, monthly rent. And anyway, there was a print there, half huge dog print, half hoof print, HOOF print, half canine print. You scroll the videos and you can see it. Right now they're in deer form still. This whole family of skinwalkers up here, I believe. What's that? That's a huge print. Anyway. Go over here. Cut through here. It's almost dark. I didn't want me out of here before dark. Because the beast sometimes does show up. Okay. Doesn't look like no one's here. They want a rabbit. Or a skinwalker. Like native legend says, they can take form of any animal if they want to, supposedly. Okay. Now, here we go. 2 Pop-Tarts. Okay. Now, put it back. Right like that. So they can see it. There's 2 of them in there. There you go. I'm GappaMagix, gifter, helper, and YouTube content creator extraordinaire. Looks like they added on more than what I filmed the other day before it snowed again. And anyway, I'm gonna leave the same way I went, trying not to make too many prints. Oh, and there's that stick. There was a stick right here. It's gone. Remember, I forgot that I put it there, and then I remember it was there, and now it's gone. I stuck it in the snow, and I did also stick it in the dirt. Meaning, jammed it in the snow and dirt. It's down in there, and what's it called? It's what? How do you say? MIA, missing in action. And anyway, sure is lovely out here in the snowy with the snow on the branches and stuff. See, I'm not gonna go farther down that way. I'm just gonna go back the way I came. This is a short video. I'm GappaMagix. I had the wrapper in my pocket. Don't think I littered anything, because I don't. That was me too, that noise. Brushing off my boot so it doesn't get snow in it. You don't want snow to freeze on your pants. Since I'm not wearing snow pants, I'm just wearing jeans. And anyway, walk out the same way I came in. Oh, snow just landed all over me. That's enough for now. I don't want to upset the beast or / Wendigo, if it is Wendigo, being that, like I said, the other day on the 18th of December, when I did show up here again for a nighttime snowboard run, and there is my snowboard right there if you can see it. And anyway, I snowed up here and I heard the noise. I believe the beast was sitting right there near that tree or a little further in, and I'm gonna recollect that night one time with you. I was about where the snowboard is, maybe a little back farther, and the owl was in that tree. I don't know if it's visible on film. If you have an option on your YouTube channel to make it night vision when you're watching it, because I know I can't do that right now because I didn't pay that fee. But anyway, there's an owl. Anyway, on the 18th of December 18th of January 2026, okay? And anyway, long story short, it was up in that tree, and I did film it, or I tried to, and it flew like this and did a little 180 and went down farther near where I had the bicycle parked. My bad, Miss MRB's bicycle. And anyway, then, like I said, the owl's over there in that tree, right about where the tip of my finger is, maybe farther, 2 or 3 trees. And then when I was standing, like, here's where the board is. I was down maybe 20 feet, 10 feet, and I heard, well, this is what I heard. First I heard, hoo, 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 like a stereotypical owl. And then I heard the monkey, or beast, or mimic. It may just be a mimic, because like I said, I'm gonna repeat what I heard. Just going crazy loud too. And then I ran down the hill as fast as I could. Mind you, it wasn't this snowy. And there was somebody in the old folks home parking lot, one of the nurses getting in their car. She heard all that as well. There's no way she couldn't have heard that unless she had earphones in, or earbuds. And anyway, long story short, about to walk out of here. And anyway, when I decided, I said, well, he didn't charge me, so I might as well snowboard anyway. And I did film 2 runs that day anyway. And I let him know that I'm a man too by going like this. Oh, oh. I did that like 8 times and then stomped up the hill. I didn't go all the way to the top because I was slightly paranoid that it may attack me, but I didn't think it would, since it didn't at first. And anyway, when I was up at top putting the bindings in, I felt it as if it was watching me from like 30, 40 feet away. And anyway, that's my story, and it is true. That story will pass the lie detector test. It'll pass a human lie detector test too, meaning like those people that are like, that know if someone's lying or not. They'll know I'm not lying by watching my eyes. And anyway, signing off. I am GappaMagix. Check the time here one more time so you don't think I'm editing or whatever. C'est la vie.